Oh shit. You see my messy dress here. Oh my god. Ugh. Just pretend this doesn't exist. Okay? Alright. Hello everyone, and I have a little surprise for you because we are doing a free series, and I was going to make a video on how to pay for your grocery half price, or sometimes you have it for free as well. Yes, it does happen. You need to be very careful to pay attention to this, but I just noticed that this morning they were giving what is called as coupon. You can get free fast food as well. You get that very, very often with McDonald's, like free coffee and all these kinds of stuff, which now seems pretty normal to every people in Canada because at some point they just like collect it and exchange it and have free coffee. But I know when I first came to Canada, I didn't know any of it and I was so amazed. Long story short, today I have something really nice. I have free food, and when I say free food, I mean really free food. So um, I'm not being sponsored by them, not at all. I wish I was, but I'm not. I'm genuinely giving you free food. So I have a couple of stuff here that I can give for free. So I'm going to give a couple of them to some friends, but there's a couple of here, so I'm going to give to my subscribers as well because I love you, and it's thanks to you that my channel is growing. So thank you for subscribing and share as much as you can to help my channel grow and help the YouTube algorithm. But with that being said, I want to give you free food. So how does that work? It's 86 dollars. So it depends. You have a variety of stuff. If you're vegan, you can have vegan. If you're vegetarian, you can have vegetarian. And when I came here, I have a couple of knowledge of how to cook, but I didn't cook really well. An example was that I had like raw potatoes, and the pressure cooker one time would just pop, and it was like yeah. Leaking, like it popped, and the water was kind of like, it was, there was drops in my room. It was like, what did you do? Like I was like really not good. And I had really good friends. I have the chance of making really good friends, and one of my friends sent me this free box, and this is how I learned how to cook, because you don't have to go to the supermarket and choose for the meat. It already comes to you, and you have the season. You just have to add everything together, and one the food is, and it's going to be good. So once this is done, you will have a little bit of more confidence to do something else. So you can go to the grocery store and buy the stuff yourself and recreate it, and from there getting a little bit more practice and use YouTube videos. And this is how I learn. uh I learn with YouTube and with trial and error, but this definitely kind of helped me. That being said, it's not super easy, and if you're just coming to Canada and you don't know where to buy stuff, I can definitely give you that, and you can use it. You don't have any limitation. Expires no expires in 2 weeks after reception of this flyer. You have 2 weeks. So if you just come to Canada and you're running short on money, you don't have a job at the moment, you can have. I'm not telling you it's going to support you for a month. That's not true. When I had that, I just had to feed me, and there was like 3 meals for 2 person. So I had that for a week. So if it can like sustain you, you can add that with the food locker. It basically, at the end of the day, you know what I'm talking about. Now, how do you participate and receive that? So you need to be a subscriber. You need to be a subscriber, and you need to share your favorite video. Once you've shared it with a friend, just take a screenshot and a picture and post it in the comment down below, and I'm going to do like a little draw. So today is Friday. I don't want to keep you too long, so I might do it on somehow Monday to Wednesday, because it expires in 2 weeks and I don't want you to lose on that opportunity. So I'll do it Monday or Wednesday. very simple, like this video, share it. You can share it with a friend. You can just share it on whenever you want to do it, and then take a picture or a screenshot and post it in the comment section down below. I'll do a little giveaway, and you can get food, free food. So yeah, I hope it makes you happy. I was really excited when I got that. I was like, I'm getting that to my subscribers. That being said, I really love you. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and yeah, have a great day.